All rise. Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge proceeding.
Please be seated. Today we hear the case of JUAN versus BOON and JASLYN. Counsel of the plaintiff, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. This case concerned a transfer of a land executed by the plaintiff, JUAN, who was a minor at the time of the transaction. Under contract law, a minor does not have the legal capacity to enter into a binding contract. Therefore, the agreement and transfer of the land are void. We respectfully request that the court declare the transfer invalid and restore the ownership of the land to the plaintiff.
Thank you. Counsel for the defendant.
The defendants entered into the transaction in the good faith. They paid the full purchase price and had not acknowledged that the plaintiff was a minor. It would be unfair to allow the plaintiff to recover the land while the defendant suffer financial loss. Therefore, we request that if the transfer is set aside, the purchase money should be refunded.
Plaintiff, do you execute of the land?
Yes, Your Honor, but at the time I was under the age of majority and did not fully understand the legal consequences.
Defendant, do you verify the age or identify of the plaintiff before the transaction?
No, Your Honor, we rely on the documents and believe everything was in order.
I see. Counsel for the plaintiff, any final submission?
Your Honor, the law is clear. A contract entered into by a minor is void. The defendants failed to take responsible steps to verify the plaintiff's capacity. Therefore, the transfer must be set aside and the land returned to the plaintiff.
Counsel for the defendant, any remark?
Your Honor, we respectfully urge the court consider fairness. The defendants had already paid the purchase price and should be not suffer such loss.
After considering the fact and the law, this court find that the plaintiff was a minor at the time of the transaction. Therefore, the contract and transfer are void. This registration of the land in the defendant's name is also declared void. The property shall be returned to the plaintiff. As for the refund for the purchase price, the court find the no fiduciary relationship and no sufficient ground to exercise discretion. Therefore, no refund will be ordered.
All rise.